Let's talk about complaining at work. Now, some people say you should never complain, but if you have a problem, how do you expect things to change if you don't voice your concern? Should you just suffer in silence or speak up? Now, there are some things that are pointless to complain about. For example, weather, or a slow elevator, or an annoying coworker. Arrive early, dress appropriately, and get yourself some nice big headphones to block out that annoying coworker. However, there are some things you should complain about. For example, slow computer or a slow internet connection. Now, to me and you, it's obvious when you have a fast computer, you can be so much more productive. You could be much faster at what you do. However, some people just don't understand. They expect you to use whatever you were given and deal with it. Payroll is one of the most expensive things in the company. If you can maximize that by giving people fastest computer possible, you will save so much money in the long run and so much more work will get done. Another thing you should complain about is bad software. Oftentimes, company purchase software for you and just expect you to use it as is. Things change quickly and new software comes and goes all the time. Today one software is best, next day it's something else. And changing software could increase your efficiency by a lot. Just think about how frustrating it was to use concordance and bring in families. You had to run a script. It was like a whole deal. Now it's just a checkbox and it's done. And things like that change all the time. Buying software, of course, is much more complicated than hardware. They're usually licensing agreements that are signed for a number of years, and it's also more expensive. The whole company has to change the way they do things, training and so on. However, you should speak up about what software out there and what it can do. So when time comes to renew licensing agreement, you can think about it and see, well, maybe there is something else that's better suited for your current task. And finally, process inefficiencies, such as bad instructions, lack of tracking system, problems like that. That is something you should speak up because, again, it will add to overall company efficiency and it will make things go faster, smoother, with less errors and less redos. One dangerous pitfall here is if you're not a manager of a department and you speak out of your place, you may get in trouble. Depends on your company culture. I've been lucky enough that we have sort of open door policy. Anyone can say whatever they want and make suggestions. And no one will get in trouble for it, but that's not the same case in all the companies. So just be careful before you speak out about something like that. Make sure you don't go over your managers. On the last note, please don't confuse voicing your opinion and whining. See, when you just whine about things day in and day out, this is slow, this is bad, you become that annoying coworker that people need headphones for to block you out. What you should do is set up time with your manager and explain to them what problems are you having and how you think they can be solved. And then you will be taken seriously and listened to.